All right, we're out here in Decula, Georgia, helping out the Brannons with an assessment repair. We have our wind damage shingle here in red. As you can see, the wind damage here, and here. We have our adjacent shingles in blue, numbered. We will be using our flat bar. Since it is a very brittle roof, I'm going to try to be as careful as possible breaking the seals. And I will be using our roof snake to nail it back in to try to avoid lifting and hinging. We do see it is an older roof, as you can see, so we'll be very, very careful here and slow, trying to get it, keep it in condition as close as possible. Going nice and slow. We'll get this thing started, put it right here for you guys, and we'll move on. Let me see. Right here, we can see kind of what we're working with. Yeah, right here. Lower it just a little bit. Sorry for the awkward angle here, but keep it moving. So we'll be using the flat bar first to break the seals. And I'll just put my roof snake right over here. I'll start from side to side here. Again, I'm trying to use a flat bar so I can get right under it. I know it's pretty brittle, but this is one shingle right here. It's a smaller shingle just because it's on the outskirts of the roof here, so just be mindful of that. Cool. Cool. All right. Be using the same. Just lifting just enough so I can see where these nails are. Get under it and take them through. Okay, so I'll be using this. Pull it out. Got one. Let's see where these other ones are. Again, just lifting just enough so I can see where these nails are. I mean, already you see this shingle just kind of delaminated here, so we'll keep it moving. Keep pushing through. Looks like that should be it right there for that one. Super brittle, so I'm trying to make sure that I can at least keep it in here. Oh, let's see. Okay. Get that nailed out. See if that slides it out. Yeah, as you can see, it's a little shorter. We already have a complete tear through the shingle, kind of delaminated, so we're already kind of in bad shape here. So I'll go ahead and start brushing everything off here. Let's see what we got. Just taking the shingle out again. Oh gosh. Okay. I mean, right off the bat, even just taking the shingle out, and you guys saw I was just using the flattest tool I could get right now. Created some tears right there. Looks like right here as well. Get you guys a little bit of a close-up here so to kind of see. Tore through the shingle already. I mean, this roof is just very brittle. I'll keep pushing it in. I'll nail it back in and we'll show before and afters. Oh, right here. Oh man, this is kind kind of, again, this is just a simulation here, just so we can see what we're working with. Oh, I mean, unfortunately this tore off, but let's see what we can do. Make sure we can get it back into place. Again, using our roof snake. Just lifting just enough so I can set the nail, and then go from there. Again, same thing here. Try to lift just enough so I can get the nail in. Again, not going above 45. Trying to keep the integrity of the shingle here. 2 more nails. Again, lifting just enough so I can see where I'm hammering here. I want to make sure I can at least get it on the nail line. Sure I can get it there. Okay. Just gonna check real quick. We're good there. Alrighty, I'll brush everything off here. Yeah, I mean, after everything, we have pretty severe tear here on shingle 4. Take those photos there. Go ahead and document it there. But right off the bat, I mean, pretty severe tear there. Pretty heavy tear there. I'll go ahead and document everything, take photos, and wrap it all up. Thank you. So after wrapping up here, I mean, we see the hinging here. I just wanted to transfer over to my phone. We see pretty significant hinging there. I mean, this roof is pretty non-repairable. It's just so brittle and old. In order to make these repairs, you're just gonna start creating, you know, a domino effect here. Just wanna make sure I can document everything as it should.